Hello YouTube, it's hello YouTube and a guten Morgen to you, almost a guten Tag. Today I'm going to talk about specifically about these dishwasher detergents. What I've got to say is these dishwasher tablets, they give cleaner results when you wash them at a certain temperature that gives cleaner dishes. The inside gives dry results. It will smell nice, and the inside is actually good for dishes when you wash them. For example, you put your inside here into the small, on a small cup of it, then you put your tablet in there, then close there, then you set the program up, desired program that you want. You select either 65 or equal 50. You select desired program, then those lights come on when they finish. For example, this dish is on there. For example, and you normally when you put your detergent, your dishwasher detergents, they are normally located in presses like this, like that little small cupboard there for detergents, and the results with inside it actually gives them a cleaner result. And specifically, I'm an expert on reviewing this. Thanks for watching, and a guten Tag to you.